Welcome. Today we are going to study about lesson number 11, circle. You know what is circle? Here I have shown circle. You know that diameter is the longest chord. Here segment EB is the diameter. Radius, you know, from center to the boundary touches, that is called radius. And diameter is equal to 2 into radius. And this is a chord. And longest chord is your diameter. So we know radius plus radius, it is 2 radius, and that is equal to diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. If we want to find the diameter, you know the formula. Diameter is equal to 2 into r, and if diameter is given, then radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This all you know already. Now, what is the circumference? This boundary of the circle is known as the circumference. And how to find out? The formula for finding the circumference is equal to two pi r. Okay. For example, here it is given relationship between circumference and diameter. If you see here bangle, object bangle, when we are finding the circumference, we got 19 centimeter and diameter it is 6 centimeter. When we are finding the ratio, that is circumference by diameter, it is nearby 3.16, which is equal to 3.1, means little bit 0.02 more than pi value, that is 3.14. So pi, we can write that circumference of a circle, we know that it is 2 pi r. So here the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is a little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. Greek mathematicians has proved through hard work that this number is not a rational number. In practice, the value of pi is taken to be 22 by 7 or 3.14. Either we can take 22 by 7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in a problem, it is taken to be 22 by 7. If radius is r, diameter d, and circumference, we know it is circumference divided by d. So that is, you know, it is near to the value pi. So we can write circumference equal to pi. Therefore, we can write circumference of a circle is equal to pi into d. That is 2r means diameter and pi because 2 into r is the diameter and pi. So either we can find out circumference formula 2 pi r, or we can also find with this, if radius is not given, diameter is given, so pi into diameter. So with this formula we can solve the questions which is given. So now we will solve the practice set, that is 42. Let us solve. So here question number 1 is given. Complete the table practice set 42. So it is given radius 7 centimeter. You know diameter, here we can write diameter is equal to 2 into r, that is 2r. So 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. And circumference of a circle, we know. Circumference of a circle, we know that we can write c is equal to pi into d, because here d value we know. So we can write 22 by 7 into diameter, we got 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 22 into 2, it is 44 centimeter. So here shown diameter 2 into radius, that is 14 centimeter, and circumference it is pi into d, diameter, that is pi value is 22 by 7 into 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 into 2, 44 centimeter. Now second one, it is given radius we have to find and diameter is given, and again we have to find out the circumference. So we know diameter is given, so half of diameter is the radius, that is radius, we can write diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter. And here circumference, again we can we know the value C is equal to pi into D. So we can write C is equal to 22 by 7 into diameter 28. So you know 7 ones are 7, 4s are 28. So 22 into 4, the value is 88 centimeter. So we can write here 88 centimeter. Separately also you can solve here column. It is looking congested, but third and fourth I will solve below so that it will look nice. Third one, we have to find radius as well as diameter and the circumference it is given. See, circumference it is given, that is equal to 616 centimeter. So first we will find out the diameter because circumference is given. So we know that diameter has this value, we know circumference is equal to pi into d. So circumference value is given 616, pi value we don't know, so we will take 22 by 7 into d. Okay, so now we will do cross multiplication. It will become, here I am writing that 6, therefore 616 into 7 is equal to 22 into diameter. Now 66 into 7, when we are multiplying, we will get 4312 is equal to 22 into diameter. Therefore diameter is equal to 4312 divided by 22. So when we are dividing 22 ones are 22. So we will get 196. So diameter we got 196 centimeter. Therefore now we got diameter, here we can write 196 centimeter. Now radius, therefore we know radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Therefore radius is equal to diameter we got 196 divided by 2. So we will get 98 centimeter. 2 ones are and 2 98s are. So here answer is radius is 98 centimeter. Now next it is given fourth one. What is given? Again it is given circumference, diameter we have to find, radius. So with the help of circumference we will go. Circumference value is given 72.6 centimeter. Therefore circumference formula we know pi into d. So therefore circumference is equal to, value we know, so we will put the value 72 is equal to 22 by 7 into diameter. So we will do the cross multiplication, that is 72 into 7 is equal to 22 into diameter. So 72 into 7 it is given 72.6. Sorry, 72 point, I will write again. We will solve on the next page, so yeah, it will look nice. So fourth one, circumference is given 72.6 centimeter. So we know circumference formula is pi into d. So circumference 72.6 is equal to pi 22 by 7 into diameter. It is not given, so we will write d. So now we will do cross multiplication. 72.6 into 7 is equal to 22 into d. So 72.6 into 7, we will get 508.2 is equal to 22 into diameter. So therefore diameter is equal to 508.2 divided by 22. Since it is not easy to divide, so we will remove the decimal, so we can multiply with 10. So we will get 5082 because 2.0, so decimal will be removed and you will get 220, that is 220. 220 we will get. So now after dividing we will get 23.1 centimeter, and therefore we can now find radius. We know this is the diameter, so radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to 23.1 divided by 2, so radius is equal to 11.55 centimeter when we are dividing. So here we can write radius we got 11.55 centimeter and diameter we got 23.1 centimeter. So we can solve with the help of the formula. We can find out the radius as well as diameter. Diameter is given, then we can find out the circumference, and if circumference is given, first we can find the diameter, because formula it is circumference is equal to pi into diameter. So there we can get the value of diameter, and you know half of diameter is the radius. So in this way we can find the solution. Now question number 2 we will see. Question number 2, it is given if the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. So what is given? Circumference is given 176 centimeter. So value we know circumference, the formula is pi into diameter. So we will write that is C is equal to pi into diameter. So circumference value is given 176, pi value we will put 22/7 into diameter. Now do the cross multiplication, that is 176 into 7 is equal to 22 into diameter. So 7 6 are 42, 4 carried over, 7 7 are 49. So we will get 1 2 3 2 is equal to 22 into diameter. Therefore diameter is equal to 1232 divided by 22. So we will divide. So we after dividing 22 ones are 22 fives are, we will get 56. So diameter we got 56 centimeter. Now here we got the diameter. Here diameter is equal to 56 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, that is 56 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 ones are 2 28s are, so 28 centimeter. So here we got the, therefore we can write, therefore radius is equal to 28 centimeter. This is our answer. We will see the next question. Question number 3, it is given the radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. The radius of a circular garden is given 56 meter. What would it cost to put 4 round? Okay, so 1 round means circumference. First we will find out the circumference. 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter. Per means 1 meter. So radius is given. So first we will find out the circumference. So we can write radius of a circular garden is equal to 56 meter. So we can find out circumference. We know circumference, we have to find out circumference of a garden is equal to, formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is 56. So 7 ones are 7 8s are. So we will get 12 into 22 into 8. So 44 into 8. So 44 8 4s are 32. 3 carried over 35. So 352 meters. So we got circumference of a garden, that is, see, circular garden field, what will be the cost? 4 rounds. So it is 1 round. 1 round we have found. So circumference of garden 1 round, we can write, is equal to 352 meter. So therefore 4 rounds means we will multiply it with 4. That is 352 multiplied with 4. So 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry 4 3s are 12, 13 14. 1408 meter. Okay. Now what is asked? We found the 4 round means circumference. What we got? We multiplied with 4. We got 14,008 meter. Now it is given 4 round fence ground this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter. Okay, so cost of 1 meter it is given. Therefore we can write, therefore cost of a circular garden garden 1 meter is equal to rupees 40. Therefore cost of a 4 round circular garden is equal to 4 cost of, actually we can write 4 round, what we got, 1408 meter. Okay, 4 round we got this value. Okay, 14,008. So garden is given rupees 40. So therefore we can, I am writing below, because therefore cost of 14,008 meter is equal to, we will write 1408 into 40, that is equal to, multiply, you will get 56,320. Cost of a round circular garden, if you are writing them, because here I mentioned, okay, is equal to rupees 40. So cost of a cost of a round circular or circular garden is equal to rupees 40. Cost of circular ground, okay, cost of a circular ground, cost of 1 meter, okay, cost of 1 meter circular garden is equal to rupees 40. So cost of, here I mentioned, again I mentioned, no need of this, because here I mentioned cost of a circular garden 1 meter is equal to rupees 40. So cost of 14,008 meter is equal to 14,008 into 40, that is 56,320. So here we have we got the answer. You can write, no, this is our final answer, or you can write down the statement. The cost of 4 round fence around is rupees 56,320. We will solve the next question. Next question, it is given, the wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels? 1.1 kilometer. So we can write the diameter of a bullock cart wheel. It is given. So bullock cart wheel diameter is equal to, what is given? 1.4 meter. Okay. See here, how many rotations will the wheel complete as the car travels? 1.1 kilometer. So here the diameter of the wheel, it is given 1.4 meter. So this also we have to convert into meter. Okay. So now we know the circumference. We have to find out now circumference of a wheel. So we will find out. Therefore, circumference of a wheel, because the wheel will rotate, so that means circumference. So formula is 2. Here what is given? Diameter. So we will write 2 pi into d. Sorry, pi into d, because radius is given, then we are writing 2 pi r. So circumference, it is pi into d. So C is equal to, we can write 22/7 into 1.4 diameter. So 7 ones are and 0.2. So we got 22 into 0.2, that is 4.4 meter. So circumference we got. Therefore we can write circumference of a wheel is equal to 4.4 meter, and one rotation, it is given when wheel completes. It is also given when wheel completes one rotation, it crosses a distance of 4.4 meter. 4.4 meter, we got it. Okay, so that means now we know that one rotation means one circumference. Okay, so circumference we got 4.4 meter. So distance, we can write distance traveled is equal to 1.1 kilometer given. So we will convert into meter. So into 100, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So you multiply. So we will get, decimal is there, so we will get 1100 meter. Okay, because I will mention 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 1.1 into 1000 is equal to, and decimal is there, so okay, so 1100 meter we have converted into meter. So total number of, we will find out now total number of rotations. Is equal to formula distance by circumference. So distance, it is 1100 by 4.4. So we cannot divide this 4.4 decimal. So we will remove the decimal because it is in the tens. Okay, we will multiply it with the 10. So it will be removed decimal. So we will get 11,000 by 44. Decimal will be removed. So 11,000 we will divide with 44. 44 ones are 44. And we will get after division 250. That is 250 rotations. Therefore we can write bullock cart wheel completes 250 rotations to cover the distance of 1.1 kilometer. So here we have finished practice set 42. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and comment to my channel and subscribe. Thank you very much.